Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I have a surprise for you. Welcome back again. One of my biggest passions for the last couple of years have been about videography and photography and documenting things in life. And for that case, I did not have a proper camera, but today I finally bought a camera to at least start the beginning. So to just give you a flashback of what I did today, it was around 9-10 in the morning, and I took the bike from the bicycle store in our school, and then I hit the roads. And the day was pretty hot, pretty sunny. As always, Phuket is green everywhere. I took the bike and I just started biking. There were a lot of traffic as well. There were like cars going and coming beside me. But anyways, after some hours of riding the bike, I was finally in Central Phuket, where you can find like the cameras to buy. But before I arrived to Central Phuket, I crossed from Tesco all the way to Robinson, and crossing all the square routes, and finally I was there. I was in Central Phuket, and so yeah, and then I went to the shop and finally I bought the camera. Hey guys, I've just bought the camera. Now I would love to unbox the camera and just show it, and probably at the end of the video tomorrow I'll also include some example shots of the camera into this video. Camera and the protective cover. In this part, we're going to turn on the camera and activate the camera, and let's see. Hello, I've already activated the camera, and this shot that you're seeing is from the new camera. And right now I'm gonna give you some sample shots of how it looks with this camera. Okay guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and keep supporting, and I will be posting new videos.